Alright, so we're here at Willys Hot Chicken in Piedmont Park. I ordered the kinda hot chicken with french fries. What'd you order?
Not hot. With the fries. And a peach snapper, which is holding up the bone.
You know you gotta do the taste test, so we're starting it off.
Fries is good. Light salt on it, yeah, I like it. Oh, fries. You like salt
See,
fries?
this is better than that spot from yesterday. They ain't put no salt on it.
We was in the hood. We was in the hood. Don't do it different. I had a good time though.
Yeah. If you made some memories.
Made ourselves.
See, that's why I don't like eating outside the flies. But that's why I never like eating outside flies.
Yeah, I probably too, bro.
That's a fun fact to know about me. I don't do picnics, so no.
You're not bad. You're not bad.
We're not doing romantic eating outside.
No, bro. You got to put them patties back on.
You know I had to drown it.
Huh?
I know what I'm saying. I had to drown my french fries. Dang, I should have been having it here the whole time. Alright, now you guys can really see them flies are going crazy. We don't eat pickles, so no. Give you that, that's dope. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving the fries 4.5. Yeah, crunchy. Yeah, cooked well through. I keep wanting more. Well, let's check out this chicken though. Oh, it's hot. That's a good thing. This food came so fast. I was like, oh, that was fast. Nope. Really been enjoying this time, Pop.
Yep.
This was amazing. And it was good to see you doing your thing out there. Everything you talked about doing.
Yep. Work.
I'm glad that you've been doing, because every time you go traveling, you're always more. So it was good to be here this time.
Yep.
Help out.
Have you here on the road with me.
You know? Those fries is good though. So those fries is good.
Yeah, this is alright.
Ooh, that joint is crispy. Do you see the glisser? Do you see the glisser on that? Okay. Okay. This is kind of hot, so let's see what that tastes like. Ew. No. Woo. Nom nom.
Nice, like big.
That's hot. Ooh. The chicken got a real little taste to it. Off the back, I don't even need another bite. I'm giving the chicken a 3. 2.5 actually. I'm dropping a point because they said kinda hot and this shit's hot.
Like frozen.
And that's why it was so fast.
Yeah, fresh chicken.
And I could taste it when I was chewing it.
Yeah, because it's different. The chewy is like more chewy, watery.
Yeah, yeah. Dang. It looks good though. No, actually it's getting a straight 2 now. Because that's frozen chicken. Just well fried.
Yeah. The fry on it is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
The meat is different. So a strong two is good. If you want me to fry something for you, let me know. This is Willys hot chicken. And that list of levels of heat, I'm not doing none of that shit. So I'm gonna tell y'all that right away off the rip.
Yeah, because this level 2, 3, whatever which one is hot.
Yeah,
It said kinda hot. This ain't no kinda hot.
He tried the hot one. I said, no, I want nothing. Don't even cook mine with the hot stuff right. You might forget. Do my order first.
I don't know. It got like a taste to it though. Yeah. I know exactly what this is tasting.
It's dangerously close to a TV dinner.
Yep, the tastings. Yep. Matter of fact, Hungry Man.
Right? Yeah, that's the one. That's what this tastes like. You said it's like Hungry Man doing.
All they went and did is what we're too lazy to do. Throw these joints in the fryer. Cause you know you be thinking about it sometimes when you got that hungry man, like, let me just see what it tastes like fried. But then you just put it in that microwave, heat it up.
Or put it in your air fryer.
True. Cause look at that's commercial look right there.
Yeah, the look is real nice. The crispy.
Dang, if I was here, man, alone, I'd have bought all those puppies. I'd have been calling like, Pop, all the money I had to come home with, I kind of...
I'm like, what? Supposed to go there and do some that.
Mm-hmm.
It was a deal on 3 of them. 3?
Look,
Right.
The return is going to be ridiculous, Pop.
Call your mama.
Yup.
Wear them out.
They look beautiful, though.
Yo, I'm nice with the dog. Yeah.
They can't replace our
Right,
dogs.
he said, all right, he was about to put up my stand, put my stand up on the table.
Mm-hmm.
We were out by a crack.
I got Scan that.
You're like, you can't do that, right? You what? You can't be here setting up shop. I'm not. I'm getting ready to go in the box, but I gotta eat, right? I just put my sign back here at my table, my stuff's on it.
And that's what it is. I can't taste it, but it's some kind of hot sauce. I know they put hot sauce on it. Can't do the after true taste.
And you know, but yours look red. Look at mine, golden.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't not messing with that on like hot shit. Spicy flavors is fine, but it was hot, nah. It burns your mouth with steak.
This one thing was 10 minutes. This is its own episode alone. So much content coming. That's from your new favorite artist, if I'm not already. Check me out on all platforms, J-Dub, Trap Tray, the new rolling the Bugatti of all rolling trays. If you don't got one, get one. Traptray.com. Available now. Thank you for viewing. Respectfully, don't come to Willys hot chicken for the chicken. Come for the fries.
Yeah, just come and get some fries and go.
Yeah, me and Pop beat these fries down.
Mm-hmm.
And now Pop beat them chicken down too, man.
Yeah.
I couldn't do it. Whatever they
put
drench that
something
in.
there. I don't want to fall out in the park.
Hey, what's wrong with them? They ain't ate all that. It's just that aftertaste taste for me. I was like, whatever they drench that in to make it spicy. Now that I'm looking at it, it almost looks like fish.
Right?
Oh no, no Diddy, I'm turning the camera off now.